Good morning, friends. Myself Harshada Desle. I am going to discuss about aliphatic hydrocarbons from Organic Chemistry for FYBSc. What is hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons is nothing but carbon and hydrogen bonded compounds. Simply presence of carbon and hydrogen. The classification of hydrocarbons is two types. One is a aliphatic hydrocarbon and another one is aromatic hydrocarbon. Simply aliphatic, in which presence of saturation means single bonded compound. It is further divided into mainly three types: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. It is also involved cycloalkanes. Alkanes and cycloalkanes is nothing but the difference in which alkanes are saturated compound, single bonded compound, but they are open chain structure, and cycloalkanes are also alkanes, but it is in ring form, cyclic compound. Alkenes are double bonded compound, that is unsaturated compound, and alkynes are triple bonded compound. Aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aliphatic hydrocarbons is nothing but the straight chain, branching, or simply saturated compound or unsaturated compound, single bonded, double bonded. They does not obey Huckel's rule of the aromatization. This is the types of aliphatic hydrocarbons: alkane, alkene and alkynes. Alkene shows in the structures single bonded compound, alkenes are double bonded compound, and alkynes are triple bonded compounds. Homologous series. Homo for same. The every compound or structures is belonging to the same group. For example, CH2 is a common group. For example, in examples of polymers, there is a same number of monomers present in bulk amount of compound. uh, uh, Homologous series is the series found in same functional group or same compounds. For example, all alkanes, all alkenes, all alkynes, or all functional groups. Only one type of functional groups shows the homologous series. In that cases, CH2 is a common group that shows the homologous series. They are similar to each others. This indicates that the see these examples. All examples show these are the examples of alkane. This shows the CH2, presence of CH2 group. CH2 group. This indicates that they are homologous series. They shows homologous series. Next one is the nomenclature of alkanes. Every compounds having two types of nomenclature. One is a common name and another one is a IUPAC name. Common name is also called as a trivial name. IUPAC name is also called as a systematic name. Common name like a number of carbons present in their structure or compound, known as for one carbon is a meth, two carbon for eth, three carbon for propane. This is the only a series that shows the presence of only carbon, and this is the alkyl group. We consider the presence of hydrogens. Okay, that's why this is the alkyl group shows. That's why propyl, isopropyl. Iso group or secondary group indicates that the second position of substituent is present. N indicates that the straight chain is present. But for 4 carbons. Tertiary means one carbon is binded with 3 carbons, that shows the 3 degree of carbon, that is tertiary butyl. This is the IUPAC nomenclature or systematic nomenclature. One carbon shows that this methane, alkane, saturated compound, that's why ANE. One carbon meth, two carbon eth, three prop, but, pent, hex, hept, oct, non, decane. This CH2 group is increased. That's why this shows the homologous series is present in that structures. IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes. IUPAC nomenclature of alkane, alkene and alkyne rules are similar, slightly different in their structures. Simply basic rule is that select longest chain. Simply first rule is that every alkanes, alkenes and alkynes select a longest continuous chain. If consider a longest continuous chain, then assign it to number. Number is assigned in such way that the substituent having minimum number. For example, consider this example. Select a longest continuous chain 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 is similar, but numbering is started from here, not here. That's why, because less number 2 number can shows the substituent is present, but we can start 1 2 3 4, then the 3 number shows the substituent is present. That's why it is wrong. Next one is this is the IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes. Examples like that 1 2 3 4 and 2 substituent is present, alkyl substituent. That's why 2 methyl carbon chain, carbon skeleton is a parent 1 2 3 4, that it is a butane. Write down butane. 2 position present at a methyl substituent, that's why it write before of the parent 2 methyl butane. Similar like that. Select the longest continuous chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can also count zigzag manner, but it is a short chain 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. That's why we can consider a straight chain 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 position of substituent is methyl, at 3 position ethyl substituent is present. Ethyl and methyl write in this way. The alphabetical rule is follow. Eth and meth. E first, that's why 3 ethyl 2 methyl, parent is hexane. This is the tertiary compound, but in IUPAC nomenclature there is no tertiary. It is a 1 2 3 or 1 2 3. 1 2 3 it is a propane. 2 2 dimethyl propane. This is a hydrogenation of ethene. Hydrogenation of ethene, simply addition of hydrogen towards the alkene substituent. If addition of hydrogen towards the alkene substituent, alkene can be converts into alkane. That's why unsaturation converts into saturated compound. Alkene converts into alkene compound in presence of catalyst, platinum, palladium, zinc, nickel. Hydrogenation of cyclohexane, it's similar to if alkene is a if alkene is ring compound or a chain compound, it is similar. Unsaturated compound converts into saturated compound, that is the hydrogenation. Woods reaction. Woods reaction indicates that the presence of 2 sodium metal reacts with 2 mole of alkyl halides. 2 moles of sodium reacts with 2 moles of alkyl halides. Sodium reacts with these compounds. 2Na reacts with 2 halogens, and the higher alkanes can be formed. If we require to higher alkanes, we can use the Woods reaction in presence of pure and dry ether. It is a reaction medium. 2 alkyl substituent reacts with 2 sodium formation of higher alkanes, and the byproduct is 2 moles of sodium halide. Similar, CH3Cl, Cl. We can use anything. Grignard's reagent. Grignard reagent is nothing but RMJX. RMJX is reacts directly with formation of, for example, CO2 binded with RMJX. Simply R is attached, MgX and OH, it is a byproduct. These are only joined with this compound and formation of carboxylic acid. Consider this example. This hydrogen replaced by this Grignard reagent I group, like this ROH. This carbonyl group converts into hydroxyl group, similar to these compounds. Next one is a coal-based synthesis. Coal-based synthesis prefer for this. It is starting material sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, oxide means presence of oxygen. Sodium phenoxide, ONA. If consider alkoxy group means OR group. Oxide groups means oxygen presence. Sodium phenoxide, this is a sodium and this is a phenyl oxide. That's why sodium phenoxide in presence of in presence of carbon trioxide at 125 degree 100 atmospheric pressure, it gives CO2Na. Sodium carbonate, presence of this oxygen as it is, it binded with hydrogen. If protonation is there, this group is as it is, this OH. This is the sodium salicylate, and this is final product is salicylic acid 79%. This is the coal-based synthesis. Halogenation of alkanes. Halogenation of alkanes, alkyne, anything. Halogenation means simply addition of halogen. If consider hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen. Similar halogenation means addition of halogen. If consider example of methane, methane addition with Cl2, it is formation of one hydrogen replaced by one chlorine group. CH3 converts into CH3Cl, byproduct is HCl. Similar, this CH3Cl by again react with Cl2, formation of CH2Cl2, byproduct is HCl. Similar to CCl4. Further, they does not react with, they does not undergo halogenation due to presence of 4 Cl groups. The carbon valency is satisfied. Next one is alkenes. Alkenes are nothing but the unsaturated compound, double bonded compounds. Double bonded compounds in which one sigma bond and one pi bond. Single bonded compound in which only one sigma bond. And triple bonded compound in which one sigma and two pi bonds. This is the structures of alkenes, cis and trans. Cis means similar priority groups present at above the plane or below the plane. Means same side presence of similar groups. For example, these hydrogens having same priority, it present at similar size. This is a cis. Here hydrogen is present at different side. This is a plane we can cut above the plane and below the plane. That's why this is a trans group. Common names for alkenes and their IUPAC name. Common names for alkene is alkylene. For example, presence of 2 carbon, ethylene, propylene, butylene, isobutylene. Okay, and the IUPAC nomenclature is simply ENE, ethene, propene, and we can write a similar, select a longest continuous chain or double bonded compound or double bonded. Alkene group is present at minimum carbon, minimum number of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Less number is present for the double bonded carbon. 2-methyl propene. 1 and 2 position double bond is present at 1 and 2 number of carbon. That's why we can write 1 in, but 1 in we cannot be necessary to write. Preparation of alkenes from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides means RX. RX, any other halogen reacts with in presence of any other base. KOH or NOH, simply heat, we get alkenes. For example, this bond shift here, this halogen can remove. We get alkenes. Pyrolysis. Pyrolysis means cracking. It is nothing but it is a decomposition of compound by heat. It is called pyrolysis. For example, alkanes. It is also called as a hydrogenation. It is a type of hydrogenation but not hydrogenation. In case hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen, but pyrolysis, it is a removal of hydrogen. This is a vice versa. If consider ethane, it undergoes pyrolysis, gives ethene. 2 hydrogen is less, like H2, twice H2. This is the reduction type of process. General methods of preparation of alkenes. Alkenes, how can prepare? It is prepared from dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides is a RX group. D means remove. Hydrohalogen, hydrogen and halogen means HX group is remove. Consider this example. We consider la previous slide. This is alkyl halide reacts with base in presence of alcoholic alcohol, any other alcohol, formation of alkene. In presence of HX, KBr is removed and water is formed. Sedzeff rule or Z rule. This rule this is the rule to find the major product in dehydrohalogenation. This formation product is more stable. Consider this example: alkyl halide in presence of sodium. This compound we get two products, cis and trans. The major product trans alkene is more stable. Dehydration of alcohols. D means remove, hydration means water molecule we have to remove. For example, ethanol. In presence of ethanol undergoes concentrated H2SO4 at 180 degrees Celsius. Excess acid it gives. If this bond shifted here, OH remove, get alkene, water molecule is removed. Dehalogenation of vicinal dihalides. Vicinal means this shape is the vicinal, that's why vicinal means substituent is present at adjacent carbons, we known as a vicinal dihalides. Two halides are present at adjacent carbons. Dehalogenation, removal of two halogens, that is dehalogenation of vicinal dihalides. In presence of zinc, alcoholic solution, formation of alkene by removing ZnBr2 or ZnX2. Birch reduction. Birch reduction is nothing but the hydrogenation. If alkyne undergoes in presence of Lindlar catalyst or hydrogen, we get alkene, or simply sodium amalgam, sodium ammonia, liquor ammonia in presence of. This is Birch reduction. Hydrogenation of ethene. This is the reactions of alkenes. Alkene undergoes hydrogenation, formation of alkanes. Hydrogenation of alkenes. Halogenation, sorry. If alkene undergoes halogenation, formation of vicinal dihalides, cis compound is formed. Electrophilic addition of hydrogen halides to alkenes. HX is added to the alkene group, formation of cis compound. This is the mechanism. HX can be reacts here to formation of carbocation, and the next step, this reaction is fast, formation of this compound. Markovnikov's rule. Markovnikov's rule is that it is observed in unsaturated compound. If addition of HX molecule towards the unsaturated compound, negative part means a halogen atom is joined in this way, the presence of greater number of carbon atom is joined to halogens. For example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH3. The halogen is binded to this carbon due to presence of bulky group here. Means simply Markovnikov's group is binded to a or joined towards branching, not in straight chain. This is the comparison of Markovnikov's and anti-Markovnikov's rule. This is the addition of X is the Markovnikov's rule, and this is the addition of here X branch straight chain, that is the anti-Markovnikov's rule. Hydration of alkenes. Hydration means addition of water. Addition of water. Water can be split H and OH. This any one H or OH. This is the same chemical environment. H can be added here or here. Both are same. In presence of water, formation of H and OH, alkene can be formed. Addition of hypohalous acid to alkenes means halohydrin formation. Simply presence it and alkenes undergoes halogenation in presence of water, formation of OH and X group in trans manner. Hydroxylation means formation of glycol. Glycol means OL. OL means OH groups. In presence of KMnO4, KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent. In presence of acetone and water, Here is a unsaturation can be converted into saturation. Here KMnO4 is binded in this type MnO4 minus H2O. Here is this group can be removed and the OH is binded. Hydroboration, that is oxidation. Hydroboration can be undergoes in presence of BH3, that is any other alkene presence with BH3 molecule, formation of BH2, it is a intermediate, and these all are similar. Alkene can be converted into alkane. In it further undergoes base in presence of hydrogen peroxide excess. Formation of this BH2 group can be replaced by OH group, and this is the major product. And oxymercuration or demercuration, this is a formation. In this reaction we can add mercurous group as well as we can remove mercurous group. That's why it is known as oxymercuration and demercuration. Consider alkene can undergoes HgOAc twice group in presence of water as well as E2O twice Et for ethyl. This presence of this alkene can be converted into alkene group. OH is here or OH is here. We can add both the types. One carbon having OH group, the another carbon having HgOAc. Then it further undergoes sodium borohydrate NaBH4. It is a strong reducing agent form in presence of water and E2O oxygen. Formation of alcohol, cyclic alcohol. Ozonolysis. Ozonolysis is a simple as well as very popular reaction. Ozonolysis means addition of ozone molecule towards the alkene group. Simply O3 molecule can be added in such a way that across double bonded carbon-carbon, two oxygen binded either above side or below side. Formation of home-like structure. This is a ozonide form, that is propene ozonide. It further undergoes zinc, water. It break in this way, that is formation of ethanol, and methanol means formation of aldehyde. Alkynes. Alkynes are the triple bonded compounds. Like 2 carbons are eth, 3 prop, 4 bute, pent, hex, like that. IUPAC nomenclature is similar to that. Select the longest continuous chain, numbering in such a way that minimum number can be done towards the triple bonded compound. And the if presence of triple bond in 3 and 4 number of carbons, then we can consider 3-YNE. Alkyne nomenclature. Alkynes we seen in last previous slide. This is the common and systematic name. Common name means trivial, systematic means IUPAC nomenclature. It is similar to alkane and alkene. Formation of or preparation of alkynes from the calcium carbide. Calcium carbide is the CaCa2 or limestone. Presence of 2 water molecule, formation of alkynes, and the calcium hydroxide is removed. Alkynes can be prepared from the methane, simply alkane molecule in presence of steam at 1200 degrees Celsius, formation of acetylene, removal of hydrogen molecules. Dehydrohalogenation of alkyl dihalides. It is a vicinal dihalides in presence of base as well as alcohol. Dehydrohalogenation. D means removal of 2 hydrogens as well as halogens. Formations of alkene. It is formed by vinyl halides and it further undergoes NaNH2. It is a sodium amide gate alkynes. Addition of hydrogen to an alkyne. See, it is similar to alkene. If hydrogen reacts with alkynes, formation of alkene, it further undergoes formation of alkane. This example is seen in reactions of alkene or preparation of alkene. Alkynes can be further undergoes Lindner catalysis, addition of H2, formation of cis compound, or sodium lithium liquor ammonia. Addition of bromine and chlorine means addition of halogenation, simply halogenation, formation of trans compounds. Alkynes can be reacted with carbon tetrachloride solvent in presence of halogen, which gives trans compound. It further undergoes halogenation, formation of tetra compound. Addition of HX towards the alkynes, formation of double bonded compound, then it further undergoes formation of single bonded compound. Addition is trans. Then the formation of metal acetylides. Metal acetylides means conjugate base of alkynes is called acetylides. For example, triple bonded compound further undergoes sodium amide. Formation of this proton can be replaced by sodium ion and the formation of ammonia. Common base for their formation is sodium amide, NaNH2. Thank you.